up? Guess where I am? I am in one of my happiest places on the planet. Today I'm coming at you from my olives here in Messinia, Greece. I am absolutely delighted to have this opportunity to show you around and share with you and show you exactly where my olive oil comes from and the actual tree and fruit itself at this stage. Although it's still mid-July, I want to take you around and share with you uh, one of the wonders in my life. So here we're going to walk through one of the parcels or one of the groves in my family where my olives come from. And this particular plot here is approximately 22 acres and has approximately 585 trees, olive trees ranging in age from 50 to 150 years old. And you can see these ones here, as an example, don't have that much on them this year in terms of fruit. That's because they alternate years, and last year they had. But as we move through the field, I want to share with you and show you what a tree that we'll have will look like. Now here, this field was recently weeded, meaning a giant weed whacker behind the tractor was attached, and these lines that you see down here, or these tracks, are actually where the weed whacker went through. Very, very important in terms of the quality and pride, how these fields look. And I always maintain, and I try to keep them as immaculate as absolutely possible. After all, it's a reflection of the producer as well. And as we walk through here, we can slowly see where the olive production will actually increase. These are the olive trees that did not have last year, hence they will have this year. And I'm so excited to be sharing this with you. And here we go. Here are these little baby olives right here. These are the Koroneki type olive, which is the best olive for olive oil. And you can see it here. They're still fairly small, but in another 3 months or so, they're going to be absolutely perfect for the olive oil. Now these olive trees here, I grow organically. And by organically, I mean I don't put any herbicides, pesticides, any kind of hormone treatments for the flowers. I want my fruit to be as pure and natural as possible. Because of that, I sacrifice between 30 and 40% of my production harvest in terms of olives. But you know what? The product that I produce in the end is absolutely so worth it. So absolutely worth it. And this area here is what we call yomo, or where they have a lot of olives on the trees. This is going to be my honey hole come November, and this is where the majority of the oil will come from. These trees here are about 125 years old. I don't water them. I think that by watering them, you dilute the actual quality and flavor of the olive oil. And that makes a huge difference. And only totally organic fertilizers for these. Look at this. This is absolutely magnificent. I have to tell you, I'm so excited to be sharing this with you. So that's what I wanted to show you real quick. This is one of my olive groves. This is where I come every fall. This is where my olive oil comes from. And I just wanted to share this with you. All right, so that's it for this little guided tour of my olive groves, and this is where my olive oil actually comes from. I'm glad and I'm really happy that I had this opportunity to share this with you. If you have any questions at all, please drop me a line, shoot me a message. More than happy to answer any questions you may have. But this is so important in my life. This olive oil, I use it to cook. I use it to do a lot of things, and it is really, really, truly a gift. So I thank you so much for your time in watching this. I appreciate it. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you on the next one and probably in my kitchen. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.